Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the private mode on Rednote app. First, open the Rednote app on your device. Once you're in the app, tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap the gear icon or the settings icon on the right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on the privacy settings. Now, tap the protection mode, and once you do that, all the three options under the protection mode will automatically turn on. This will only allow comments, likes, and mentions from people who you follow and who follow you. It's not the same as Instagram or TikTok's private account, but it's the closest thing we have right now on Rednote. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you so much!